The sparrow is a bird familiar to everyone. We see it in courtyards, parks, markets, and even in the noisiest cities. It may seem ordinary, but behind this small bird lies an amazing history, from ancient times to the present day. Today, we'll explore when sparrows appeared, how they spread across the world, and why they became such close neighbors of humans. Scientists classify sparrows as part of the Passeridae family. It is believed that the first representatives of this group appeared about 10 million years ago in Eurasia. Fossil evidence shows that small passerine birds already existed when Earth's climate was warmer and landscapes resembled savannas. These birds quickly adapted to life among grasses and seeds, which formed the basis of their diet. Around 10,000 years ago, when humans turned to agriculture, sparrows gained a new opportunity. People began growing grains and storing harvests, and the birds found an endless source of food. This was the beginning of their close coexistence with humans. Many scientists believe that agriculture itself turned sparrows into companions of humankind. The most famous species is the house sparrow, Passer domesticus. Its native range once covered the Middle East and southern Europe. Since agriculture originated in these regions, sparrows were among the first birds to adapt to life near human settlements. Gradually, they spread across Europe and Asia. Sparrows traveled together with humans. With the rise of trade and navigation, they were carried on ships. In the 19th century, people even deliberately introduced sparrows to new continents, such as North America and Australia, to recreate a familiar European landscape. This made the small bird truly global. Today, the house sparrow can be found almost everywhere on Earth, except Antarctica. The sparrow is a small bird, about 14 to 16 centimeters long and weighing 25 to 30 grams. It feeds mainly on seeds and grains, but during the breeding season switches to insects to provide extra protein for its chicks. Sparrows are known for their resilience and ability to reproduce quickly. In 1 year, they can raise several broods. Despite its modest appearance, the sparrow holds a notable place in culture. In many countries, it has symbolized simplicity, endurance, and humility. In folklore and literature, sparrows are often contrasted with nobler birds, showing that even the smallest creatures have their own value. So, sparrows appeared millions of years ago, but it was alongside humans that they truly flourished. Today, they can be found almost everywhere, reminding us how closely nature and civilization are connected. The sparrow is a small companion of human history, and one that will likely stay with us for a very long time.